Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video tutorial, we are going to explore about customer or vendor upload menu. And this program is to make easy the process for entering multiple customer or vendor data. In the SystemEver, when we want to enter customer or vendor data, there are two ways that we can do. The first one is go to customer or vendor menu, and then you can type the data manually. Or the second one is go to the customer or vendor upload and then click the download form button to download the Excel form from our system, and then you can click the Excel file like this. After that, on the Excel file you will find two sheets. The first one is upload sample. As you can see, there are some description and also explanation about the data. And please fill the data on the red one, because the red one means it's mandatory. You have to fill. And then remember, data beside the red one is optional. So when we download the Excel form, and please make sure do not delete anything, even the header. Something like this, or on the upload sample. Do not delete and do not change the name or the format, because when we have something like typo, the system cannot process it. Okay, and then if we already finish fill the data, go back to the customer and vendor upload menu and then click the select file button and then click the import the data, and the data will import automatically. And when the company already has their own format regarding to the customer or vendor data, they can use this menu to make the process easier. But remember, do not upload your company format data, because the system won't recognize it. Always have to download the SystemEver Excel format and then follow it, then you can upload again. So that's the final of customer or vendor upload data. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.